Hello again. I just want to do a quick little run through of this project now that it's finished. Basically just showing you some of the embellishments. So I just did some fussy cutting here with these beautiful roosters, and I just cut out this little Bless This Farm. So this was the great sort of pockets here that was designed by Graphic 45. I think Maria Cole, I think, designed this one. So anyway, I've just got some little tags. I created some tags with the leftover papers I had, and another little tag in the side pocket here. This flap goes open, and I just put a couple of little tags in here as well, and some of the ephemera. And the package, when you get this beautiful farmhouse package, it comes with the stickers, which I love, and so there's lots of opportunity to use those up as well. So this was just a little side tuck spot I had. I just used the stickers throughout here in little spots. So in the center, I mentioned too when I was creating this that I left these strings long till I decide what to do. And so what I did was I just used these stickers and put them on the little strings here, and that just adds a little bit of fun here. And so I don't know if you can see that. And then still lots of room to add more things. I just put a little tag here and here. Another little tuck spot, so I used these border strips, cut that and created the little tuck spot. These were stickers, so I just cut them. I cut this one out and then attached it sort of back to back like that as a little bit of a tab. This was one of the stickers, and then here, this is, I don't know if you can see that well. I'll try to bring it up to the camera. But this little piece here that says The Good Life, that's actually the strip where the barcode is on the bottom of the pattern paper. That's the name of that particular piece of pattern paper. But often I use those because I just love the little expressions, and I just cut them out and I'll use them in my books as well. And there's just a grouping of the stickers. Another sticker, and then in the back here I'd use some leftover paper and a little border strip to create a pocket, and then I made some more with the leftover paper I had. I made some more little tags and put some of the ephemera pieces. So that's my little project. There's still lots left that if you want to add to this from the sticker sheets and bits and pieces of paper as well. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you get to create one yourself. So have a wonderful creative day, everyone. Bye-bye.